And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a perfect heart. So we're going to use geometric shapes for that, and the only one that we really need is the rectangle. Hold Ctrl when you drag that. That way you've got this perfect square. When we want to copy it, you can press Ctrl D or right click and duplicate. Drag it to the right and then let it snap to the left one, so you have to have snapping enabled. Copy it again to have 3. Let me give that different colors and you can see what we've got here. Select it all, press Ctrl D, copy it down, and once more Ctrl D, drag it down, make it snap. So we've got 9 in total, and I give them different colors so that you can see it properly. Alright, this is the starting point. So 3 times 3. Select it all, click on it again with the cursor tool and then rotate it while you hold Ctrl, 45 degrees. And we've got this shape. Then go to Path and open your Path effects. You can't just select it all and add the effect, you have to have one item selected. So let us start with the red one, click on the plus sign, we need corners. So this is the effect that we want to add. Select the nodes tool and then drag this left node to the right as far as you can. We repeat it with the blue one. This time we'll drag it to the left. And we need 2 more on top. So plus sign, corners, drag it downwards with the nodes tool. And we can delete the one that we've got on top. And we basically have our heart. Select it all, go to Path and click on Union. And now it's one single shape and it has the perfect angles. And this is how you can create such a geometric heart in Inkscape. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.